written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenna. And in today's video, we are going to be tackling some random chores around the house on this rainy day. It definitely feels like fall because I do live in Ohio, if you do not know, and it has been around 70-80 degrees, but the last couple of days it has been raining and in the 50s, which I love 50-degree weather, but I am just not a fan of rain. Does anybody else feel this way? Please let me know in the comments down below.
And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do. What I am trying to do.
I have been so behind on the kids' laundry, like folding the laundry. I wash the laundry. I have no problem washing laundry. It's just folding laundry. That is the part where I have the most difficult time of keeping up with laundry, is folding it and putting it away. I think there's probably 2 to 3 loads worth of clothes in just this one clothes basket, and it took a really long time to get done. I think it took almost 45 minutes actually.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance
So you guys see Zach in this video, and you're probably wondering, like, why is he in this video? So he's in this video because he got off work 2 days in a row early because of the rain, hence the rainy day cleaning. And also you're seeing my tripod be bumped each time and moved over. You know, that's just kind of what happens when you have 3 dogs and 2 toddlers just running around. And I didn't notice it. I was just super into the laundry, and so you guys didn't get to see me put all of the laundry back into the laundry basket.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Zach and Savannah went to go run some errands during this time, and Maverick was taking his nap, so I decided to go ahead, go upstairs, and fold some laundry, put some laundry away, clean our bedroom a little bit, and kind of clean our bathroom as well. I have been trying so hard to keep up with our bedroom, our bathroom, and the laundry because those are our problem areas. Our bedroom is like our most neglected area just because, I mean, yeah, we sleep in it, but we're not in it like all the time, and nobody really sees it, so I kind of neglect it a little bit, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this done.
Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh, no.
If you are new to my channel, I will go ahead and tell you a little bit more about myself and my channel. My name is Jenna. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom, but I also have like a small little part-time job on the side. I have 2 kids, and I am pregnant with baby number 3, which is a girl. We have 3 crazy dogs, and on my channel, you are going to find tons of cleaning, laundry, organizing, and decluttering motivation, along with routines, anything motherhood and lifestyle. That is what you are going to find on my channel, and I post every Monday and Thursday, but you are always going to see at least 2 videos a week from me. So if you are new and you want to subscribe, please subscribe and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below because I love talking to my subscribers and I love getting to know all of you as well.
once felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
I swear rolling my towels is seriously such a game changer on space and time, and to me it just looks aesthetically really nice. I love rolling my towels. I wish I would have done it years ago, so I highly recommend rolling your towels if you do not, because it is such a game changer and you save so much more space and time as well.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
Okay, the lighting is horrendous, but I want to show you guys the two things that I've gotten the baby so far. I believe I already kind of showed you guys this one, but this is a size 3 months Carter's little sister. I just wanted to get something that said little sister, so I just went ahead and got it. And then this past weekend, I got her this. This is 6 month. It's also a sleeper because I feel like you can never have enough sleepers or onesies for babies. But it's just so cute. It's like a gray color. It's got lots of different, you know, colored hearts. Let me take it off the tripod.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
All right, you guys, and that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you tons of cleaning motivation as well as some laundry motivation. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. It helps out my channel so much, along with subscribing if you have not yet. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.